So time for another 2-minute tutorial with me, Tess. This week I'm going to be looking at Microsoft Forms. So have you ever wanted to get feedback on maybe a training course, or you're designing a new service for your customers and you want to get some ideas of what should be included? Or maybe it's even something internal, like finding out what we should be doing for the Christmas party and getting people to feedback. Microsoft Forms is great because you can do it in one place. It's an online format. Can easily send it out, and then once you've got all the responses, you can collate all of those, you can analyze the data really quickly and easily without having to kind of email everyone individually. So it compiles it all for you. So it's a great little feature, a great little application, which I'm going to show you now. So let's go. So I can load up a new form from my Microsoft Edge dashboard. I'm going to create a new one and rename it. I can also enter a description, but I'm not going to do that today. So first question, we're going to go for a choice. So different options are available here. This also gives you suggested options, as you can see here, but they don't really work for me, so I'm going to write my own. I'm also going to make this a required question, so people filling it in will have to answer it. What should I go for next? Oh, a rating. So there's different levels to this. So you can have between 1 and up to 10. And you can either choose from stars or numbers. So depending on the type of question you're going to ask. So that's really good for, like, on a scale of 1 to 10 kind of questions. What shall I go for next? A nice text question. So this is really handy if you want people to kind of elaborate. You can select for a longer answer, which I might need here. And then another great feature of Forms is branching. So this can actually mean that you can change the direction of where the questions go depending on how each person answers. I can also theme my form. So now I've finished it, I'm going to pick a nice select purple. There we go. And you can preview it, see what it looks like on the desktop and also on a mobile, which is really useful. And then we can share. So you can either share to everyone in your organization or specific people that you might want to send it to, and you can share the link. Then in the tab up here, you can see responses. Obviously, I haven't had any responses yet, but that gives you an idea of Forms.